Hello, I'm Milena Cheng. I'm a content architect at VMware, and today I'm going to talk to you about Virtualization 101. We're going to talk about vSphere and vCenter, how, for example, we're going to walk you through vSphere storage, vCenter networking and security, and a little introduction on what virtualization is. So, for example, for Module 1, we have a little introduction on on the management of vCenter using vSphere. And it basically will walk you through the different use cases and features that the product offers, such as vSphere fault tolerance, vSphere vMotion, and even a user interface overview of how vSphere will help you manage your workloads. This is a Tech 100 lab, and it's aimed to anyone who wants to learn about virtualization and what it has to offer in the tech industry. This lab is updated every once we have a vSphere big update. So for example, from vSphere 7 to vSphere 8. So this lab will be updated accordingly to get virtualization into the latest product we have. This lab is the perfect introduction to anyone who wants to learn about how VMware and its products can innovate in the virtualization world. And I hope you can all check it out and let us know what you think about it.